Black Riding Bear.
What's up, TubeU? It is Fox, and on today's fantastic product video review, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It's Fox. Anyways, what I want to tell you is go outside. That's where we're at right now. I'm outside. I'm in my hunting plot area where I hunt. I've got my ground blind back there, and even if you guys don't hunt, just get outside. I mean, look at this stuff. I promise, if you don't have access to private land, there is plenty of national forest you can get out to and roam around, and you have no excuse to not take your family, yourself, your dog, your auntie, your cousin, your uncle, your sister, whatever it may be. Go outside. This is the Great Reset. This is the place to be. We spend too much time on our electronics and all of our BS and day-to-day life, news, media, all of that bullshit. You need to go outside. You need to learn how to hunt. And if you love firearms, that's perfect, because you can take your gun out and you can go explore. And hey, you may actually get lucky and get a deer during deer season, have the proper tags. But I felt I needed to say this. I felt I needed to make a video on today's episode of Fox Talk, because this is where I spend a whole lot of my time. Right in this area here. I have several little food plots and places that I try to plot up to hunt at, but this is one of my favorite ones. My dog sure enjoys it. We roam around, see what we can find. But go outside, turn your cell phone off. But you obviously you need to watch the Mishaco channel and Fox Talks. But second most important is getting outside, exploring your national forests, your parks. Take your family out there with you, take yourself, and enjoy nature. This, to me, should be done as many times as you possibly can, whether it be once a month or once a week or once a year. Whatever you can do, make it happen. Book yourself a little vacation, book yourself a little trip. Promise, if you don't know anybody that has private land with woods around it, you can find tons of hunting leases. You can find tons of places to take your family and stay in a cabin or stay in the woods. And if you haven't already done this, you need to. But since this is where I hunt and we're talking about hunting, I want to hear everyone's story that's watching this video. If you're a hunter, I want to hear your first hunt, who you went with. Tell me a little bit about it. Was it with your grandfather? Did you kill deer? Was it turkey? Was it a coyote? Whatever it may be. This is a skill that every American should know how to process a kill. They should know how to hunt, and they should know how to navigate through the woods. It's 2023. Go out and buy a GPS. I don't care what you do. You don't have to learn to read a map. You don't have to have on the best of the best camo and all this bullshit. You don't have to have side-by-sides. Just go. Just get out there and explore your state parks, explore your land, do all of those things. I know this guy sure enjoys it. This is one of his favorite things to do. He is a hunting dog. Get yourself a dog. He'll go hunting with you. That's an Akita. And for those of you that know, Akitas were once used to hunt bear. So hunting deer and coyotes is a breeze for that feller. Anyways, today's episode of Fox Talk was real simple, real short. Wanted to keep you guys posted and informed on what goes on Sunday. Fox Talk. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like, share, subscribe. Please sign up for the Patreon. Looking at getting maybe some memorabilia, some things for Misha. We're wanting to do maybe some t-shirts going into 2024, maybe some memorabilia, some stickers, some slaps, all that cool stuff like all these other cool gun tubers are doing. Please do comment, talk. I'm going to ramble on for way too long. I got to shut this camera off. This is Fox with the Mishaco channel on Fox Talk. Talk to you guys later.